Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how present perfect continuous tense is in English. The present perfect continuous is a verb tense which is used to show that an action started in the past and has continued up to the present moment. The present perfect continuous usually emphasizes duration, the amount of time that an action has been taking place, or sometimes in question form, for the interrogation. Don't worry. I'll explain. The present perfect continuous uses two auxiliary verbs together with a main verb. The structure of the present perfect continuous tense is subject plus have or has plus been plus the ing form of a main verb. Let's look at some examples. I have been owning my car since 2007. You have been talking too much. She has been waiting for you all day. They have been traveling since last October. I haven't been feeling well lately. For negative form. It has not been raining. We have not been playing football. Lisa has not been practicing her English. She has not been sleeping well lately. He has not been listening to his teacher. For question form. Have you been seeing her? Have you been exercising lately? Have they been doing their homework? Have you been waiting here for 2 hours? What have you been doing for the last 30 minutes? As you see, present perfect continuous is used for emphasis on duration of action. For example, I have been learning French since I went to school. To express anger, irritation, or interrogation. For example, why have you been disturbing me? And time-bound expressions. For example, he has been watching TV for 2 hours. With verbs not normally used in the continuous form which I mentioned in my present perfect tense video, we use the simple present perfect instead. For example, I've wanted to visit China for years. She's known Robert since she was a child. I've hated that music since I first heard it. I've heard a lot about you recently. We've understood everything. Thank you for watching. Please comment me your feedbacks.